Today I am reviewing the MSI Katana 15HX gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to high-end mobile gaming, finding a machine that seamlessly handles both raw processing power and cutting-edge graphical capabilities without throttling under intense workloads can feel like an impossible task, but after pushing the MSI Katana 15HX through its absolute limits over the past few weeks, I can safely say this laptop is a complete monster. From the second you unbox this sleek, matte black chassis, it is visually apparent that MSI engineered this machine for elite-level competitive players and hardcore content creators who refuse to compromise on hardware. At the absolute heart of this laptop's staggering performance is the flagship 14th generation Intel Core i9-14900HX processor. Built on an incredibly sophisticated hybrid architecture featuring a massive 24 cores and 32 threads, this processor handles intensive, modern AAA gaming titles, complex video rendering, and heavy background multitasking with an extraordinary amount of headroom. In real-world testing, application launch times are basically instant, and game loading screens pass by before you even have a chance to read the tips on the screen. What truly takes this specific model to the absolute zenith of modern gaming performance, however, is the inclusion of the highly anticipated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop graphics card, powered by the cutting-edge Blackwell architecture. The leap in performance here is profoundly noticeable, particularly when it comes to hardware-accelerated ray tracing and real-time artificial intelligence processing. Thanks to the native implementation of the newest deep learning super sampling 4 technology, the laptop effortlessly generates ultra-high frame rates in notoriously demanding titles while keeping local hardware utilization optimized. It delivers remarkably responsive, fluid gameplay and jaw-dropping cinematic realism with reflections and lighting that breathe incredible life into virtual worlds. All of this astronomical computing power is beautifully showcased on a spectacular 15.6-inch quad high-definition plus display. Moving away from standard full high-definition screens to this crisp, high-resolution panel completely changes how you experience digital environments, revealing an extraordinary level of text clarity and environmental texture detail. The fast 165 Hz refresh rate keeps fast-moving competitive action incredibly smooth, dramatically reducing distracting motion blur and ghosting during high-speed combat. Furthermore, because the screen covers 100% of the wide DCI P3 color gamut, the colors are exceptionally rich, vibrant, and accurate, making it just as capable for professional photo editing and color grading as it is for gaming. To support these high-end components, MSI has outfitted this machine with a generous 32 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 memory and a massive 1 TB non-volatile memory express solid-state drive. Having 32 GB of high-bandwidth RAM means you can easily stream your gameplay to platforms while simultaneously running heavy communication software, complex overlays, and multiple web browser tabs without experiencing a single drop in system responsiveness. The 4th-generation storage drive provides blistering read and write speeds, allowing massive game files and heavy media projects to transfer across directories in the blink of an eye. Thermal management is usually the fatal flaw of ultra-powerful laptops, but MSI has combating this beautifully with their innovative Cooler Boost 5 cooling solution. Featuring dual high-performance internal cooling fans and an extensive array of 5 dedicated heat pipes configured in a shared pipe design, the system efficiently extracts heat away from the core CPU and GPU dies. Even during grueling, multi-hour gaming marathons, the machine maintains highly stable clock speeds and frame rates, preventing the performance-ruining thermal throttling that plagues thinner-budget laptops. The physical typing and gaming experience is also outstanding, thanks to a beautiful 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard that features distinctly highlighted WASD keys, allowing you to easily maintain your hand positioning during intense late-night matches. The keys provide a highly tactile and satisfying mechanical bounce with a short actuation distance, keeping your inputs fast and precise. Connectivity options are fully fleshed out to create a truly game-ready desktop replacement. The chassis is loaded with an expansive variety of ports, including a high-speed universal serial bus Type C Generation 2 port, multiple traditional Type A ports, a physical RJ45 gigabit Ethernet jack, and an advanced HDMI interface that supports visual output all the way up to an astonishing 8K resolution. On the wireless side, the integrated Wi-Fi 6E wireless adapter provides an exceptionally stable, ultra-low latency connection by utilizing the cleaner 6 GHz wireless band, keeping you ahead of the competition even when you are far away from your router. Combined with the immersion of certified high-resolution audio processing out of its built-in speakers and running on the stable Windows 11 Home platform, this laptop represents an incredibly well-rounded investment that successfully brings desktop-grade performance directly onto your lap.